How to record laptop screen with video and audio. First, search on Google OBS Recorder. Click on first link. Then click on Download. Click on Get it from Microsoft. Then download it from here. After opening the OBS application, click on Setting on bottom right. Then for General, you don't really need to change that. Go over to the left-hand side and tap on Output. Choose Output Mode Simple. Then choose a recording path, and this is essentially where the file is going to be saved. So you can also change recording equality. Then once you've made any changes, go to the bottom right and go and tap on Apply. Then click on Add and click on Display Capture. Then click on OK. Check everything and click on OK. After that, now click on Start Recording to record. And now if you click on Stop Recording, it will then go and say where it's saved. As you can see, recording saved to there. That's it. Thanks for watching.